Okay, we're going to look at a function question here. Let's just try and figure out what we've got here. It says g of x, one function is minus 12x plus 12. Well, you got to know that this is a line because it's a linear equation. Minus 12x plus 12, that negative 12 means it's going downhill. There's the function g, and they're telling you it's going down, and they even tell you it's the line. The other function is f of x equals minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 30. Well, you should know that that's a parabola in standard form, and it's upside down. It's unhappy. Now, the first question is, what is the length AB? What is the length AB? Well, our problem is we're talking about how far it is from A to B. Those are, you have to know, that's the x-axis, but we're looking for x-intercepts. So that's what we got to do. We've got to take this function, there it is, minus 3x squared minus 9x plus 30. And what we do, we've got to factor it. So those negatives aren't so nice. So we multiply everything by actually negative 1. Even better, divide by negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is just 1x squared. Negative 9 divided by negative 3 is positive 3. Negative 30 divided by negative 3 is negative 10. Then we put two brackets. X and x gives you x squared. Positive 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. And there's your plus 5x and minus 2x that make 3x. Well, now we've got two numbers here, x equals minus 5 uh, or x equals 2. So the minus 5 must be there. The 2 must be there. The distance from minus 5 to 2 is just 7. We can go 2 minus minus 5. We know that that's 7 units. And that's it. That's the first question. Let's look at the next question. Determine the coordinates of K. Well, this one's a little bit involved because you're trying to find out where the line intersects, crosses the parabola. You want to find out where the line equals the parabola. So what do? You just let the two functions equal each other. Let f equal g, and then you solve that. Well, this is the memo. All we've done is we add 12x to minus x, we get 3x to both sides. We take away 12, we get 18. We divide everything by negative 3, and it turns into this much easier question of x squared minus x minus 6. Then we factor it. 3 minus 3 times 2 is minus 6. And minus 3 times x. And x times positive 2 minus 3x plus 2x. There's your minus x. Now, two things are going to make this 0. There are two values where, two x values, where the line will intersect the parabola. One is x equals minus 2. The other is x equals 3. Well, the minus 2 one must go with h. This one over here at k, well, that must be the one that is equal to 3. So all we do is we take 3, put it back into the original formula, minus, put it back into, actually even better, put it into the line. You could put it into the parabola, but put it into the line. That's easier. Minus 12 times 3 plus 12. That means k is minus 24. So it's better to put it back into the line than it is to put it back into the parabola. And then we can see, hey, 3 and minus 24 even looks about right. This is minus 2, and if we wanted to figure out what the value is, we'd put it back in here. Oh, I can even see it's 24. That must be 36 up there, but they didn't ask for that. Well, we'll stop there, and we'll leave the next part for another video. Okay.